Alright guys, nasa Goodwill tayo. I'm just gonna like thrift some clothes para sa next trip namin, which is St. Augustine. That's on Thursday. Kasi wala na akong time, so I'm going to how do you call this? May pasok ako ng Monday to Wednesday, and then Thursday pupunta na kami doon ng maaga. So today is like Sunday. So let's go. Alright guys, we're done.
Meet your garden.
So we're vlogger for a day, guys.
We're going to St. Augustine, but we already are here.
Pag may habagsak ka. Kita yung sarili mo. Okay guys. Baka akala ng tao may ano ako, baril. Baka akala may baril.
Pero merong pink ka.
So this is a YouTube video.
Huh?
Meron din po siya guys. Oh. So what can you say about St. Augustine?
Old.
One word, old. Okay, give 2 words about St. Augustine.
Old enough.
Old enough.
Tara, break the law, break the law.
You only live once.
Why YOLO?
Inaantok pa si Raya, tignan mo siya. Sabi niya. Nakikita ko pa rin. Nakikita ka tumingin. Tignan mo kahit saan ka pumunta. Oh. Sa'yo nakatutok. Gabi na po dito.
We're still walking.
Ay. We're still walking, guys.
It's very cold.
Go.
Well, I'm not telling you like saying only the like house. So there's 3 sisters. One was like 16 and the other one was like really young. They were riding in the cart. Like I don't know what kind of cart, but they were riding and then they fell in the water and drowned. They probably didn't know how to swim.
Oh.
They don't like a house that way. So now they people they go. Hey, no, another one. There's another one.
Ay, churo. Ay, Raya. Lamig. Buti na hindi mo alam hindi mo alam mag-hili kagabi. Oo nga, hindi naman ako na ano sa hilik niya.
Hindi siya ano na bother. Ayun ako, sabay na ako. Mild lang siya. Ayun na ako sa mga ako hindi, nabubusit ako pag yan.
Sino yan?
this. Life. Oh, may.
Sabi niya daw Mountain View.
Tanga.
Ito yung sunrise.
Hello, nga paano pag dito nabubuisit kasi? Ang lamig! It's so cold. Paano tayo mag-ano? I think we're not able to swim. I wanna swim.
The springs is gonna be hot.
I wanna swim pero it's so cold.
I'm not gonna swim here.
Hindi, parang alam mo yun, parang gusto ko na mag-swimming din.
Naka-barefoot
It's so windy.
Magka-jacket ka.
Alright guys, right now I'm gonna check the beach. I'm gonna go to the beach. Let's see kung kalmado yung beach ngayon or what. Right now guys, we're chilling. Look, it's so nice outside. The sun is out. Everything is so nice. So grateful to have this experience in life. To experience na malibot ko yung not mundo but makapunta sa mga places na not everyone could go, and to be able to afford this kind of like trip na biglaan. I'm just like so grateful right now. Forever grateful. More success, more money, bright future. We manifest it. We manifesting it. I'm manifesting bright future, more money, healthy life, happy life, everything positive. I'm manifesting it. You just gotta manifest it, you know what I'm saying? Okay guys. Oh my god. I'm heading back home. I mean, I'm heading back to the hotel. This is what I got. So after nito, we're going to, I think, a spring in Gainesville. So pupunta kami ng Gainesville. So kahapon, nandito kami sa St. Augustine. And then, we're going to Gainesville for second day. And then third day is Orlando. It's already 10. So yeah. Balik na ako kasi 11. I think we have to check out. So we're on the lighthouse. Ah, the lighthouse. Ay no, there's like some history then. There's nothing to be scared of. I think you have to go here. Yeah. Dito. Ito oh. She's stressing right now.
You already fish there?
More.
Down there that's missing the daughter. She said she walked down from power and her family was gone.
Wait. Are you scared of height or no?
Huh?
You're scared of heights?
This one?
Sabi mo, ganito yung bahay nila dati. Ano man sabi mo? Gusto mo yung style ng bahay nila dati?
I like to mean like yeah, but ang pangin ang bahay nila.
Because it's made out of food. Ay.
Ay, may labas.
Labas na yun.
Let's go.
Ayun, doon tayo lalabas. Oh. Doon yung labasan.
Yeah.
No.
You could go down to the stair.
For what?
I think it's down. Oh, this is where they shower.
Okay, let's see. Gusto mong bumaba or wag na?
I could go down here.
So this is like a basement.
Yeah.
Their basement.
Oh my god, who just shake the thing? Somebody just shook the thing. Look up.
Diego, look. Here. Diego.
Look, see?
I mean, paano pag naano mo?
See?
Muntik ka na mauntog dito. Tara. Hindi ako nagulat na ano ako sa'yo.
Look like this.
Ayun na. Ayun yung mga ginamit nila dati. Let's see.
Yeah. Oo nga, parang nakita ko rin. Di ba iba to?
Ay, naantok na.
Meron pa dyan ha? Nakita ko sa'yo.
Ano masasabi mo? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Springs?
It's okay. That's what I can see. It's not for me.
Not for you. Ako, nag-enjoy ako.
I mean, not for me.
Ayun no, doon ka lalabas. I think when you have like the float, it's good. Next time we should get like a float something. So guys, ito yung bagong hotel namin. So we're on Orlando. So basically yung ginawa lang namin dito sa Orlando is kumain kami kagabi. I think that's basically, oh, we went to a spring. So basically St. Augustine for beach and then pumunta kami ng spring for sa Orlando. Nag-Orlando kami for spring and then we ate. Tapos ngayon is our last day on this trip. So uuwi na kami mamayang 11. We're gonna check out. Hindi na kami nakapag-swimming. Dapat mag-swimming kami kagabi, pero late na kami kumain, so hindi na kami nakapag-swimming. And then ngayon, tulog pa sila. So, ako muna yung lalabas ngayon. It's 9:43 in the morning. We're gonna check out at like 11. So, gusto ko lang makita kung anong what's around here. Kaya lumabas ako. So, tandaan nyo guys, we're 10:07:04. Ayokong maligaw. Guys, so we're out. So, this is my view. So, basically, sa lahat ng video ko, hindi ako nagsalita. I don't know why. Kasi, I think it's too busy. I'm enjoying the moment. So, yung mapopost ko na video is not full. Yung mga post ko na video is not full ng experience ko because hindi ko talaga dala tong camera. Parang gusto kong i-live yung moment. Parang kung may chance lang akong magdala ng camera or ilabas yung camera ko, doon na ako nag-video. Pero not every moment is captured. You know what I'm saying? Kasi, I think, ayoko ma-miss out yung memory. Parang gusto ko siyang i-capture yung memory, pero, parang gusto ko rin, ma-feel yung moment na nag-e-enjoy ako instead of taking a video or picture. Okay. I don't even know where should I go. Should I go here or there? Wait, I think it's right there. Big. Sayang hindi kami nagstay ng longer dito. Ayun. Meron silang mga laruan dito like billiards. Sayang hindi kami nakapag-stay ng mas matagal dito. Wait, do I have a card? Let's see. The pool is so good. Sayang hindi kami nakapunta dito. I mean, dapat mag-swimming kami kagabi, pero late na kami. So, 10:30 na kami nakarating dito, naka-check-in, which is dapat 4 kami mag-check-in, pero late na nga kami. Dahil ang dami namin ginawa. So, hindi kami nakapag-pool or wala kami. Basically, natulog lang kami dito. Which is dapat, kasi merong unexpected na nangyari. Which is, pumunta kami dun sa lighthouse. Which is, hindi naman dapat talaga kami pupunta. Pero si Piago, yung pamangkin ko is, gusto niyang pumunta dun sa lighthouse. Tapos gusto niyang umakyat, pero natakot siya. So, yeah. Nag-spend kami ng almost 2 to 3 hours doon. So, yeah. Medyo na-late rin kami sa spring. Late na kami umuwi dito. Sayang. Pero next time, for sure. Lagi naman kami pupunta din sa Orlando. So, this one is really good location. Really good hotel. Yeah, let's go. Sayang, gusto ko mag-billiards. Yeah, ewan. Yeah, hand wipe na ata to, hindi pang puwet. This is the room, guys. That's, ano kasi to, Piago, Volcano Bay? Ting view namin. And pauwi na po kami. Natulog lang po kami dito sa room na to. Ay, patayaw. Natulog lang po siya dito.
Okay, pick up between 12:30 to 12:40.
Guys, nakauwi na po kami. Update. Hindi na tayo nakapag